Notice that these two different bar graphs have different number sequences or scales on their vertical axes. The rainfall graph starts at a minimum value of 0 inches and goes up to a maximum value of 2.5 inches, while the snowfall graph starts at 0 and goes up to a max of 16. Also notice that each graph uses a different size subdivision on the vertical axis. The rainfall graph has a division every 0.5 inches, while the snowfall graph has a division every 2 inches. The size of these subdivisions is called the interval of that axis. This combination of minimum value and maximum value and interval form the scale of an axis. When making a graph, it's very important to choose a scale that does a good job of displaying the data in a clear and understandable way. For example, if we used the same scale for the rainfall data as we did for the snowfall data, our graph would look like this. That's not good. Now you can hardly tell the difference between the heights of the bars because they're all squished down below the 2-inch mark. Likewise, if we use the scale of the rainfall graph for the snowfall data, a lot of the values would be off the chart. So keep that in mind if you ever need to draw a graph yourself. You'll want to pay close attention to the range of values in the dataset so that you can choose a minimum, maximum, and interval that are a good match for the data you need to graph.